Hi, it's Anna with WTI. We recently had an anniversary party, and let me show you what made it so easy to get everything set up. This is a 24-piece set, so you can serve 24 people with this set by Wiooffen. We had a really nice little anniversary party for my sister and her husband, and we did a lemon theme, and this set was so perfect. It is so bright, so cheery. You get 24 dinner plates, so they did not have a problem holding all of our food. The napkins are so cute. Like, I can't get over how cheery this set is. Perfect for a little pool party, perfect for any kind of little fun party you have, especially during the summer. I appreciate that everything came that you needed. It all matched. We easily laid everything out and the table was all done. We just had to put our food. You get the cake plates, which are a little bit smaller than the dinner plates, and they also, again, so cute. I didn't have a problem with any of our plates bending or folding, even with a couple tacos or a bunch of nachos on them. You get 2 tablecloths, you get 2 banners, everything's easy to put together, everything looks like you really put a lot of thought into it, but you didn't have to. So go ahead and squeeze a little fun, but that's just my point of view.